Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. All right, now today is Valentine's Day, but when you see this video, it will not be. I'm probably gonna post this video tomorrow, but you know, it's a holiday, so there you go. All right, now, as you can see by the title, today's video is about my unboxing of the Vox Box. All right, now, for those of you who do not know what a Vox Box is, it is a box given to you by a company named Influenster. All right, it's an online platform that, you know, small YouTubers or Instagrammers or just anybody with a small following. Now, you know, it can be people with big followings as well, but mainly, you know, they help out a lot of people with a small following starting out. Again, like I said, you can have a large one, but you know, I have a small one because I just started. I've only been on YouTube for going on 2 months. Hasn't been quite 2 months yet, but almost 2 months. So, you know, of course, I'm not way up there yet, and I still got a lot to learn, and I'm doing and getting people following and you know, watching me and all that stuff. Everything's going great. I'm happy where everything is right now, but you know, Influencer is a website. You go on there and, you know, you take a survey, you fill out some things, and then you just have to, you know, interact with people, like ask questions about certain products, review certain products, post pictures, scan things at stores, or just a whole bunch of different things that you do to build up, you know, people liking you on Influencer and following you, and then also you attach your other social medias to it so they can see how you're doing there, you know, just to know that, you know, you're liked and people are following you, and that, you know, you can show some people things if they decide they want you to review some products for them. And luckily, I received the email the other day that told me that I was going to be receiving a Vox box from Influencer. Now, this is my very first box. I'm so freaking excited to get somebody to send me something to review that I did not have to pay for. And yeah, Influencer is a free site. So, you know, like I said, you just have to start building yourself and putting yourself out there and all sorts of things. And then, you know, if they decide that you are somebody they want to review their stuff, then you will be chosen to get something free to review for them. All right, so anyway, yeah, they sent me the email, and I had to fill out a survey, and they sent me another email back. They chose me, and they let me know what I was going to be getting in the box. So I do know what's in the box. I just don't know, you know, what it looks like or anything about it because I didn't review it. I wanted to do it here on camera to see exactly what it was. I do know that it's skincare though. But anyway, so yeah, it's a great site. I like it. And, you know, it's helping me to feel more comfortable and put myself out there, you know, because I'm still learning all that stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing because I don't want this video to be super long. And before we get into the video, though, if you wouldn't mind, please hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, if you wouldn't mind liking the video and commenting. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate you all. And let's get into this unboxing. Again, it looks like this, Influencer. The box is really cute and everything. And, you know, my address. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Scissors. All right, so you open it and it looks like this. This is what's in there. I am so freaking excited, y'all. I got somebody who wanted me to review products. Woo! Without me having to pay for them. I'm so freaking excited. This is my goal, y'all, to build myself up so that I can get brands to start sending me stuff so I can review. That is my ultimate goal. It's not about the money for me, y'all. It is not about the money. I mean, money is always great, but that's not my high picture. My picture is to be sent stuff and I review it and people listen to my reviews and all that stuff. All that shit is so great. But anyway, okay, so let's get started. Okay, what's in the box is the card here. This is the 3 things that I have gotten. It appears to be, let's see, a replenishing serum, targeted hydration. Replenish skin and its ability to hold moisture with our targeted hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid. And the next one is hydrating cleanser, refreshing balance, helps skin keep its natural balance for soft and refreshed skin. And then hydrating day lotion, 24-hour hydration, recharge skin's moisture reservoir with our hydrating day lotion. Let's see. Yep. And then let's see, targeted hydration, the root of replenishment, photo quench. And it says contains Japanese blood grass root extract, provides optimal and deep skin hydration, supports skin barrier moisture function. Influenster. So excited. I don't know what to do. All right, and again, the box looks like it got some 3 products in there. First one that I do see, this is a big box too. This looks like it's a nice full-size thing. All right, Apathy Care Essentials. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's Apathy Care Essentials Photo Quench Boosted by Roots Hydrating Cleanser, Japanese blood grass root, burdock root. Here's this one. It's closed. Gotta open it. Looks like this. And by the way, there is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look that I have on here today. It will be out sometime next week. All right, and yeah, so this is the cleanser. This would be what you put on after you take all your makeup off and everything. Or if you don't have on makeup, this is what you wash your face with. Just gonna smell it here. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Put on the back. So that's about, I put a little too much. I wanted to, smells good. I like it. You clean your face with it, but I like it. It smells good. Nice and soapy like you want. See? A little soapy there. That's nice. I like it. All right. That's that one. And then the next one is the Apathy Essentials Photo Quench Hydrating Day Lotion. So the lotion would be like a moisturizer that you would put on after the cleanser and after you do your serums and all that stuff of other products, if that's what you into. And yeah, this one also appears to be a full size. This is nice. And then this one, put it on my hands, give it a smell. Just a regular day lotion that's like any other. Has the same exact smell. It's that Japanese blood root. What is it? Japanese blood grass root. That's what that is. I guess. I don't know. But it smells the same. But it smells good. I like the way it smells. And then the last thing in the box is the Apathy Care Essentials Photo Quench Replenishing Serum. See, the serum is what you would put on second. Because I already wear, I already do cleansing serums, moisturizers, all that stuff. So, I'm pretty much know about all that. I will be doing a skincare update routine as well. This one looks like this, and it has a dropper, which a lot of them do for the serums. Yeah, look at that. Same exact smell. Yeah, it's nice. So this is the serum. So what you would do is, you want to wash your face and all that with this cleanser. Then you're going to go on with the serum. Yep, serum, and then you're going to go on with the day lotion. And yeah, this is very, very nice. I really like it. I can't wait to review these products and then come back to you after about a month and tell you how I like them. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you all. Have a good night. Bye.